Want to enjoy Google TV features right on your Windows PC? In this guide, you'll learn the easiest way to run Google TV using free tools and official installation method. In just a few minutes. Let's get started. As you can see, PlayStation app only available for Android and iOS. That means there is no PlayStation PC version available. But here we'll be using a program called an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android phone right inside your Windows PC, allowing us to download and run the Google TV app just like you would on your phone. Step 1. Download an Android emulator. Some of the most popular and reliable options are LD Player and BlueStacks. Open your web browser and go to the official LD Player or BlueStacks website. Be sure to download it only from the official source to avoid any unwanted software. Run the installer. You can choose the default installation settings. This process might take a few minutes as it sets up the virtual Android environment. Once it's finished, open LD Player or BlueStacks, whichever emulator you installed. When BlueStacks or LD Player starts, it will act like a new Android device. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is required to access the Google Play Store. After launch Play Store, use the search bar inside the Play Store and type in Google TV app. Click Install. The Google TV app will now download and install directly within the Android environment. This should only take a moment. Once it's installed, find the Google TV app icon and open it. You'll see the familiar login screen. Sign in Google TV using your Google email address and your password. After login, you will get Google TV welcome screen. Press arrow key for first-time setup. Choose your apps and press Done button. Now you can watch movies, live streams, and enjoy the smart features of Google TV directly from your Windows computer without needing extra hardware. That's it. You have successfully installed PlayStation on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.